Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Splunk HEC alerts for server issues. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Once you are logged in, navigate to the search bar. Type in the search query that pertains to the server issues you want to monitor. Run the search to ensure you are retrieving the relevant data. After confirming the query results, click on the Save As option located at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Alert. In the Alert configuration window, set a meaningful name for your alert. Next, choose the trigger conditions for your alert. You can set alerts to trigger on specific criteria, such as the number of events or a particular error message. Scroll down to the Actions section. Click on Add Actions and select Webhook from the list of options. In the settings for the webhook, enter your HEC endpoint URL. Configure the request method, typically set to POST. In the Payload section, customize the alert data that you wish to send to the HEC endpoint. Make sure the payload is formatted correctly in JSON. Once your configuration is complete, click on the Test button to ensure the webhook is functioning correctly. If the test is successful, click Save to finalize your alert setup. Your Splunk HEC alerts are now set up to notify you of server issues. You can manage these alerts anytime from the Alerts section in the main dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.